India is on a very, very robust path of achieving new heights in manufacturing. We are talking about becoming the third largest economy by 2030. We are talking about increasing our GDP ratio of manufacturing from 15 to 18%, which is now to about 20 to 23% in the coming years. And few of the major sectors that are going to push this manufacturing is the mobility, which takes care of your EV segment, which takes care of the hydrogen cell, and which takes care of the ethanol. The power generation, conventional as well as non-conventional, solar power and so on, and the infrastructure, and that includes your railways, that includes your aerospace. I think so there is a lot of opportunity in terms of manufacturing, and once this kicks in, which is already there, I think it's a long drawn game. So we can look at a very, very strong manufacturing sector. As I always said before also, it is not only the in-house requirement which is really big, but it's also the catering to the world market from here. And that is where the whole game changing will take place in terms of getting the latest trends, latest technologies, and high value products. So yeah, very, very positive and a thumbs up to the Indian manufacturing sector.